Lerner's operations management major will teach you all the day-to-day logistics, how to make sure everything's profitable, how to make sure everything's working together.
Develop critical thinking skills to analyze decision-making and interactions, ranging from person to person to between entire countries.
It gives you the keys to help run a successful business by giving you the skill set to create, analyze, and communicate.
You'll be able to learn how to understand a financial model. You'll be able to learn how to read financial statements, income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement, understand how to model a company to really see and understand what goes into making a company.
All about turning your passion into energy and really learning how to adapt and thrive amidst rapid change.
About learning how to construct cohesive financial strategies through both hands-on and classroom experience, working with complex topics.
Management and operation of a business that operates on a global scale, so they understand how international trade and culture play into a business's day-to-day operations.
Not only will you get to take 3 food labs at our on-campus restaurant known as Vita Nova, but you'll also get to be part of our lodging module, which is all about hotel management.
This major is the perfect combination between business and technology. Students in this major learn about various different programs and also how to analyze the data within these programs.
The combination of finance, marketing, entrepreneurship, and other business aspects to create exceptional management for exceptional teams.
Knowing your consumer and also knowing your product or service that you're trying to sell. And it's all about figuring out how those two can intersect.
This major allows you to analyze and aggregate large amounts of data to get a competitive advantage in the business world. This major even allows you to choose a specific area of concentration to decide what is most interesting to you.
My major taught me not only management skills, but life skills.
This major is super customizable. You study globalization and then you design a program that best fits your interests like marketing, economics, data analytics, and so much more.
Creates an environment essential to learning the classroom knowledge needed for success in the industry. It also gives students opportunities to work within an operation and put that knowledge to the test.